in less than 2 minutes. And in the simplest way possible, you'll understand what a power supply is. The power supply is the electrical heart of a computer. Its job is to take electricity from the wall outlet and make it safe and usable for the PC. The electricity that comes from the wall is far too strong for computer components, so the power supply reduces it, regulates it, and distributes it in a controlled way. Although a computer can technically turn on without a proper power supply, doing so is not recommended and can be very dangerous, since using the wrong power source can cause serious damage or even electrical accidents. That's why using a proper, good quality power supply is essential. The power supply delivers power to every part of the computer, including the processor, graphics card, storage drives, and motherboard, making sure each component receives only the power it needs. When the power supply is weak or low quality, the system becomes unstable, which can lead to shutdowns, restarts, or unexpected errors. A good power supply allows the computer to run safely and reliably. Power supplies are rated by their wattage, which indicates how much power they can deliver continuously. A basic computer needs fewer watts, while a gaming or editing PC requires much more. Using fewer watts than necessary is a mistake and can negatively affect system stability. Choosing a power supply with the right wattage ensures stable and reliable performance. In addition to wattage, power supplies also have efficiency certifications such as bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Bronze is the entry level, silver is mid-range, gold is high efficiency, and platinum is the most efficient, meaning less wasted energy. Above all of these is the titanium certification, which offers the highest level of efficiency available, even when the computer is under low power load. The higher the efficiency, the less energy is lost and the less heat is produced. Inside the power supply, there are cooling systems that help control temperature. Many power supplies use a fan, and some even use more than one. Keeping temperatures low helps the power supply last longer and work better. A high-quality power supply protects all the components in your computer, while a poor-quality one can put them at risk. That's why choosing the right power supply means choosing safety and stability, both in the short term and the long term. See you in the next video.